Hi everybody, Ryan here again today. Bought a set of LED headlights off Amazon. They were on sale. Had pretty good reviews, I think like 4.5 stars or so with a lot of purchases. So I've been kind of wanting to try them out on my truck, and I know a lot of you people are probably gonna give me hell for it. You know, a lot of guys, they don't like the brighter light and all that, but I pretty well drive exclusively at night. Driving a lot of bad weather, a lot of snow, as you can see. We got like 12 inches, 9 to 12 inches of snow coming in tonight, and I got to run down to North Carolina. So we said I bought these. They were only like $26 or something for the set. This truck has H11 low beams in it. And like I said, I'm just going to try out the low beams for now and kind of see how I like them, see how they perform. Then I may go ahead and add the high beam version too. I think I have 9005s for my high beam bulbs. So they're pretty nice packaging, you know, right off the China boat, I guess. Here's basically what you got. It has this little cooling deal on the back. This goes in like a regular light bulb. So there's no adapter kit or anything needed. It just plugs right into your regular, what's your original light bulb, you know, plugged into the same harness and all that. So we'll go ahead and change them out and see if they work. And then later on down the road, I'll probably do a second part of this to kind of see like an after review type thing. So on these Kenworths here, pretty simple change out. I mean, even changing your regular light bulbs, it just this opens up, and this is the low beam and the high beams in this side. And you just twist this out, and that pull that little spade up, and that's it. So which side of this? So these are made to go either way, it looks like. So I'm not sure what plus and minus is on this, so I guess we're just going to have to kind of wing it and see if it works. So we'll pop that in, and then I'll go turn the lights on real quick and make sure we got it right. If not, we'll have to switch it around. That is extremely bright at that angle, so. Well, fortunately, these, you're not looking at it that way. You know, we were looking at it with the light like that, so it seemed really bright, but it's actually going to go in the socket here this way. All right, and then I guess we'll just have to kind of lay that down in there. And I'm going to save my other bulbs here just in case we need them for some reason or decide to change these out. I always like to have 2 or 3 spares in the truck. Then it's kind of cold today. I'm leaving tonight, so I've got my bunk heater on to keep it nice and warm in there. I'll probably grab a couple hours of sleep because it's about impossible to sleep in the house here during the day with the kids running around and all that. So I've got my little battery maintainer here that I bought before too, that I think we did a video on this. This is the 10 amp. So it's been working. I'm really impressed with it. It's been working really well. It's nice, like when I got that heater running, I can hook that up and it keeps everything up to charge without having to run the truck or APU or anything. All right, I'll go make sure that one's working. We have light. Yeah, it works. Yeah, so let me put that in here. Man, that thing's bright. Alright. And I don't know how I like that. There we go. I like that a little bit better. And it sounds like they got some type of little cooling vent or something in these things. Sounds like something's spooling up. So. Alright, we'll shut the hood here and see what it looks like. It's not too terribly bright, so we'll see how it does tonight. Yeah. But anyways, like I said, it was a pretty good deal on those. I figured I'd give them a try. I'm always looking for some type of improvement, you know, running at night. So I said we'll give them a try, and we'll probably do a follow-up on this later down the road and see how they perform and all that, if we have any issues. So if you guys are interested, we'll put a link in the ones that I bought. Like I said, these are H11s. I think it's the same one for H9s, 8.8s, 10s, and 11s. So I'll have my wife put a link on there for those. If, like I said, if you're looking to make it a little bit easier, if you're looking for these, depending on what your truck has. Like I said, my high beams I think are 9,005, so we'll see how these work, and we might buy those as well. So I think $26, $28 is pretty reasonable for them. So anyways, that's what we got going on today. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. Like the video, give us a thumbs up, hit the bell for the updates. And always watching out, guys. We're always doing Landstar stuff, owner operator stuff, you know, truck maintenance, tractor stuff, farm tractor stuff, farm stuff, and all that. So always got something coming out. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching and all the support. We'll see you next time.